Whenever a person's going through a domestic matter, it's probably the worst time in your life. You have a loved one that you're not getting along with. Life is becoming very burdensome, arguments erupting, kids are in chaos. It's your worst time. That's why we're here to help you. We're here to help you know your rights, what's involved, and we try to do it in a cost-effective manner.
As a mother of 3 young children, I understand certainly the importance that people put on their relationship with their children, and I enjoy custody work because I love watching the relationships of parents with their children grow and change over time. And I think that that's important for any custody litigator to keep in mind, that we're trying to win this extra period of time for our clients or to prevent something that they think would be detrimental for their child, because it is their child. And they have a lifetime of repercussions from whatever we do. We handle divorce litigation. We can do business valuations if they come into a divorce. We handle child custody and visitation cases, grandparent cases, child support and spousal support, and alimony pendente lite.
We're located right in downtown Greensburg, across from the courthouse. We'll talk to you by the telephone. If need be, we'll get you an appointment as soon as possible.